Hello, let's learn about ancient Mesopotamia. It is one of the oldest civilizations in the world. It began over 5,000 years ago. Where was Mesopotamia? Mesopotamia was between two rivers, the Tigris and the Euphrates. Today, this land is part of Iraq, Syria, and Turkey. What does Mesopotamia mean? It means land between rivers in Greek. The rivers gave water, food, and travel. So, people made farms, homes, and cities. First cities and writing. The first big cities were Uruk, Ur, and Lagash. People built temples and houses from mud bricks. They made the first writing. It was called cuneiform. They wrote on clay with a stick. Farming and tools. The people of Mesopotamia were good farmers. They grew wheat, barley, and dates. They made canals to bring water to the fields. They used tools made of stone, bronze, and later iron. Kings and laws. Each city had its own king. One famous king was Hammurabi. He made one of the first law codes. It had rules about money, work, and justice. Religion and temples. People believed in many gods. They built big temples called ziggurats. Priests gave food to the gods. People prayed for good weather and health. Science and learning. The Mesopotamians studied the stars. They made calendars and watched the sky. They knew about math, time, and medicine. War and empires. Many groups lived in Mesopotamia. The Sumerians, Akkadians, Babylonians, and Assyrians. They built great empires and fought many wars. The legacy of Mesopotamia. Today, we still use ideas from Mesopotamia. We have writing, laws, farming, and cities. They were the first to write, to build big cities, and to study the stars. Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, please like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to Dessert Learner for more history in simple English. See you next time.